So our project is called SoLyr, and the user will be able to sing a song into this, and it will try and figure out what song we are singing and calculate the accuracy of the song lyrics. So our UI is on one node, and we have a microphone that is sensing when a person is singing, and the data that is being transmitted to our other node are the words that we are singing. So here, when the user clicks start singing, you're on your phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. And as you can see, it outputs the accuracy and the song that I sang, and clearly I have sang it correctly. And then once the user clicks stop singing, then it signals that the UI should stop recording and transmitting data. And now over to the other node in which you can see what happened in the back end.
Um, so so that was the front end. On the back end over here, this is basically the file where we use our ML model to identify which song our user is singing. So this model has been trained in this file called train_new. However, we did that during the preparation for this project, and so we don't have to run it now because the model has already been trained. We put it through the model, convert the input that we get from the other node, we convert it into a vector, and we put it through the model so that we can find which of the 5 songs the person was singing. If you want to see what 5 songs we have loaded into our ML model, these are the 5 songs. Afterwards, because we also want to check for accuracy of the lyrics that the person is singing instead of just identifying the song, we also do cosine similarity. What this does is it simply uses this function cosine similarity to find which is the data entry from our dataset underscore new.csv file, which you will have on hand as well to refer to. Which of the entries is the most similar, and from there we'll plug that entry out and do a logic comparison to calculate the exact accuracy. So essentially what they do is we compare the entry that we have extracted, the exact verse that the person is singing. We compare word by word to check whether how many words are correct, and from there we output the accuracy as a percentage. So all this is in the cosim.py file. This cosim.py file is called in the SoLyr.py.
So what the SoLyr.py file does is it acts as the server, and when our client connects to it from the other node, it calls this accuracy function, which is going to call the cosim.py file and pass in the song that we sang as the input. And this uses WebSockets so that we can have a two-way communication where it'll receive the song as an input and it'll output the accuracy and which song that we sang. So now we're going to sing another song as just another demo so you can see like the difference between two different songs. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. Something, 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 and it's hard to tell. You can see that the accuracy here is 84.6%, and it was able to correctly identify the song. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.